Nowadays, I'm super proud of myself because I've been eating more salads and trying out more recipes which turn out absolutely amazing. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple pasta salad recipe which is going to turn out absolutely amazing. It's going to be flavorful, crunchy, and super filling. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. We are cooking? No. Let's make this salad. The salad needs fresh ingredients, so you'll need some coriander, red capsicum, we have zucchini, carrots, and a lime, which you can switch with some lemon. You'll also need some pasta, olive oil, black pepper, salt, and vinegar. The recipe is super simple with very basic pantry ingredients. So I'm going to start off by placing a pot over medium flame for boiling my pasta. Add in 2 cups of water. Cover and let the water come to a boil. I'm going to place some of the ingredients aside so that we can make space. And I'm going to start off by chopping up my veggies. I'll start off with my carrot. Pick the next. If you don't own a vegetable peeler, you're missing out a lot because it makes work or peeling quite easy. Once done, I'm going to chop off the ends of the carrots. And cut into medium sizes. So I'll start off by chopping up one end just like this so that we can have some surface area where the carrot is going to be flat. Then I'm going to cut into strips just like this. Once I'm done, I'm going to cut into strips and dice. Once done, you're going to pick your clean red capsicum. Remove the pit. Then I'm going to remove the membrane together with the seeds. Chop off the ends, then you're going to cut into strips and dice. You want the capsicum, carrot, and cucumber to be the same size so that each bite can be delicious and crunchy. It's been around 2 minutes and my pasta water has come to a boil. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt, which is going to season the pasta. Add in 1.5 cups of pasta. You can use any pasta you have in the house. I'm using penne pasta, which is going to absorb in the flavor perfectly. Pick my cucumber, and I'm going to be using half of it because it's a large cucumber. Then I'm going to repeat by slicing one and placing it flat and slice and dice. The pasta is going to boil for around 6 to 7 minutes, so just keep an eye on it so that it doesn't overcook. Meanwhile, I'm going to finish up chopping the rest of the ingredients. If you have some orange capsicum or yellow capsicum, you can add that to the recipe as well, so that you can have some rainbow colors in your salad. Pick one small onion, slice and dice. And once done, it's a matter of waiting for the pasta to get ready or to cook. and it's cooked halfway because it's been around 4 minutes. So I'm going to wait for another 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want your pasta to overboil, so when it's tender and not overcooked, you're going to put out the flames and drain off the water. Once you've drained water from your pasta, you're going to remove the lid and let the pasta cool for around a minute while you make your dressing. So we are going to be using very simple ingredients, and you'll need a small tin or jar. So you'll add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add in a teaspoon of white vinegar. You can also add in apple cider vinegar. Add in some salt, just a tiny bit of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Use a lemon squeezer to add in juice of a whole lime. Then you're going to cover and shake. The lime juice and white vinegar are going to emulsify the vinaigrette. The next step is going to be transferring your pasta to your bowl and add in the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to start off with my carrots, my red capsicum, cucumbers, onions, add in my salad dressing, toss all the ingredients together until fully combined, and every bite is going to be amazing because we have the delicious flavorful dressing that we added into our bowl. And once everything is fully combined, you're going to check the seasoning. I need a little bit more salt. Wow, you can catch some zesty flavor from the lime juice and the vinegar. The olive oil is absolutely flavorful, and the black pepper adds a touch of spicy kick, which makes the salad very delicious. Now it's okay. It's perfect. So before serving, you're going to refrigerate for around 10 to 15 minutes, and it's going to get chilled, and all the flavors are going to infuse together, and the salad is going to get super delicious. This is a salad recipe that is absolutely worth trying because we have used budget-friendly ingredients and lots of fresh ingredients, which makes the salad super healthy, filling, and delicious.